Hi guys, welcome to Cake Minutes by Ghie. For today's vlog, I'll be teaching you how to make a perfect merienda or snack food. The easy toasted baguette with jam. First, I melted the butter into the oven. I'll set this one aside. And then I have my leftover baguette and I slice it into thin. Around ½ inches is okay. You can also do this in any other leftover bread if you don't have baguette. Use a wide baking sheet pan. Soak each sliced baguette into the melted butter and line them onto your baking sheet pan. Just repeat this step until you soak all the sliced baguette into the butter. If you will notice, I didn't put sugar on top of each baguette. It is because we will be using our preferred jam as our sweetener. After you have done this step, bake this for 200 degrees for about 15 minutes. Sorry, I just ate some before I took this video clip. I can't help it. And here it is, brown, crunchy, toasted baguette. And I use my strawberry jam. But you can use your preferred jam as well. This is perfect for merienda or snacks. Oh, I think I need to get me some coffee. Simple but yummy. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you and see you until next vlog.